beautiful kids, welcome to Creative Ideas for Teaching English. Last time we've seen the English alphabet. Did you revise your lesson? Did you memorize all the alphabets? If you did so, then you're ready to start our practice for today. We're going to have a guessing game. It's very interesting and amusing. If you want to play with us, stay tuned. How are we going to play the game? I will show you a box with an animal inside. Then I will give you some hints and you have to figure out which animal inside the box based on the alphabet or the letter that it starts with. So, let's start with the first box. What's inside this box? It's a wild animal that starts with the letter W. It lives in groups called a pack. So which animal is it? Bravo! It is the wolf. It starts with the letter W. Wolf. Let's go to the next box. It is a reptile that starts with the letter T. It has got a strong shell. Which animal is it? Bravo! It's the turtle. And it starts with the letter T. Turtle. Let's go to the next box. What's inside this box? It's an animal that lives in the wild. It has got black and white stripes and it starts with the letter Z. That's right! It's the zebra! Excellent work! It starts with the letter Z. Zebra. Let's jump into the next box. It's the king of the jungle. What's inside this box? It's an animal that starts with the letter L. You're doing great! It's the lion. It starts with the letter L. Lion. Let's go to the next box. Oh, it is a very beautiful animal that starts with the letter G. It has got a long neck. Which animal is it? That's right. It's the giraffe. It starts with the letter G. Giraffe. Let's jump into the next box. Oh, come on, look at this animal inside the box. It is a small animal, yet very strong. It starts with the letter H. Which animal? Yes, that's right. It's the hedgehog. It starts with the letter H. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I think you're tired and you want to go to bed. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video with your friends.